Hi, I'm David Hughes from Graphable, and today I'm excited to share with you a new service that Graphable is releasing in open beta called Sherlock. What is Sherlock and what does it do? These are great questions. Let's take a look. Sherlock is an interface for interacting with a knowledge graph stored in a Neo4j database, all without having to know any Cypher. All you need to know is the question you want to ask of the knowledge stored in your graph. Let's see what this looks like. Here we'll paste in a complex question into the Sherlock interface and ask not only what are the titles of clinical trials, but also what are the interventions and the city and state where these clinical trials about ALS are being conducted. Sherlock will learn about the database, formulate a query, and bring back the results to you so that you can learn more about the clinical trials, all without having to know any Cypher. Want to learn more about Sherlock? Go to sherlock.graphable.ai or go to graphable.ai and look at our blogs and announcements about Sherlock and the features we'll be building into it in the coming days. Thank you.